Hello, welcome to SuperAlvinTV. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is a review on Lexington Law Firm. This service can change your life. Y'all hit that subscribe button if you're new. And I'm going to tell y'all why right now. This is my honest review. Y'all know that's what I do. I do reviews and honest reviews and unboxing on the channel and cash giveaways too. Lexington Law Firm can change your life. When I first tried out the service, I believe it's higher now. I think it costs more now, but it's worth it. It's not a scam. I'm going to tell y'all that because it works. And to be honest, uh, it exceeded my expectations. I was kind of diving in, just trying to do whatever, thing you can to help your credit score out, just doing everything that you can to help your credit score out. And I came across Lexington Law Firm. I don't know exactly how it was recommended. It was probably by some type of credit service. I think Credit Karma or something like that. Credit Karma recommended it, and it really boosted my credit score really high. And I'm actually going to use it again. You know, it really boosted my credit score really high. It deleted a lot of items that's not supposed to be reported on my credit report. And they did, most importantly, Lexington Law Firm, the service, uh, they did what they said they were going to do. They put in the work, they did everything that I paid for, and obviously they succeeded because I see the results. So Lexington Law Firm does work. I've had no problem with Lexington Law Firm. They will help you credit reports out, get items that are not supposed to be in your credit report, negative items off. That might be falsely reported. If it's falsely reported, they can actually delete it off your credit score. But I'm not going to really get into details about that. But Lexington Law Firm does work. And this is another honest review that I have for y'all that may be thinking about using the service Lexington Law Firm. I do want to let y'all know that it works. And I think I know because I've experienced this. You will be surprised with Lexington Law Firm. Yes, you will be surprised. They really work for you. And it is, I think the price is more. I forgot how much I paid, but I think it's like a monthly charge now. I think I paid a monthly charge, but it wasn't much. I think it's higher now, but they offer you more now, so that's why it's higher now. But yeah, I would definitely recommend Lexington Law Firm. Um, like I said, if you have damaged credit, you need to work on your credit. They will help you with that. The service is great. Um, I have nothing but good things to say about Lexington Law Firm. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, this review. If you have, press that subscribe button. If you made it this far, I really appreciate y'all. This is Super Alvin TV. The next